Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU 16th and let me show you how to add fingerprint to your device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then let's find fingerprint, face and security, and here let's choose fingerprint identification. So let's enter a password which you will use instead of your fingerprint, re-enter it. Okay, and now your device is asking you to place your finger on the shown area. So let's do this and tap on it and try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, and simply tap on continue. Now you have to unroll the edges for even better recognition. Okay, and click on OK. And as you can see, you've just added the fingerprint, and here you can choose for what you want to use your fingerprint, for example, to unlock the screen or unlock encrypted apps. So let me leave it like that, and after turning off blocking your device, you will see the area to put your fingerprint here. And as you can see, this is how you unblock your phone right now. If you want to delete it, simply get back to the settings, click on the fingerprint, get back to fingerprint, and you have to type the password. And to remove it, simply tap on it and hold it a little and click on delete. Click on delete one fingerprint, and that's all. There is no fingerprint now. And this is how you add and remove fingerprint from your MEIZU 16th. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.